Welcome for another lesson. We are going to study the use of logarithms in the evaluation of numerical cases. I just want to make it clear to students that when we are taught to use logarithms to evaluate, then you are free to use either the logarithms in the calculator or the logarithms from the math table. Therefore, we are free now to use any logarithms to evaluate the cube root of 36.15 times 0.025573 divided by 1.938. So what we do here, for your work to be orderly, we first of all write the number, then we write its standard form, and finally the logarithm on this side, the logarithm on that side. So now we can answer the question now. By recording first the number. The first number is 36.15, and this one in standard form will be 3.615 multiplied by 10 power 1. So when it is 10 power 1, then the logarithm should be 1 point. We read the logarithm of 3.615. So log 3.615 0.5581. So 5581. Then the next number is 0.02573, which means it will be 2.573 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1, 2. So negative 2. The logarithm is going to be by 2 points. So we read the logarithm of 2.573, and this gives us 0.4104. So 4104. Now, because 36.15 and 0.2573 are being multiplied according to the question, then we add their logarithms. So we add their logarithms, and this one is going to give us 5, 8, 6, 9. We have 1 minus 2. So we're going to have by 1, like that. Then in the next number, which is 1.938, then just the way it is, because it is already to one number in the right hand side of the decimal, times 10 power 0, so that it may just remain the way it is in standard form. Then we have 0. The logarithm of 1.938, 0.2874. 2874. Now, because the numerator and the denominator are separated by a division, then we subtract the logarithms. And when we subtract the logarithms here, we shall get 1. We shall get another 1. We shall get 8, because we will have 16 minus 8. Then here we've remained with a 7. So 7 minus 5 minus 2 will give us 5, that is. And now we have negative 1 minus 0, which will remain as bar 1. So we have bar 1, but something we should remember is that we had a cube root on the question. So we have a cube root sign here. So we are finding cube root now. And to find cube root means the logarithm is divided by 3. So we're going to divide by 3 here. To divide by 3. Now, when we divide by 3, we can see that the characteristic independently cannot be divided by 3. So we make it divisible by 3 by subtracting 2 more, such that the bar 1, when we subtract 2, now it becomes bar 3. Then on the other side, the 2 we have subtracted here, we add it on the Mandisa part, such that instead of 0.5811, we will have it as 2.5811. Then independent now we divide this one by 3 and this one by 3. This one divided by 3 will be by 1. Then we add whatever we will get after dividing 2.5811 by 3. So we'll get 0.8604, such that now we have by 1.8604 as the logarithm, the final logarithm. So now we have to go back to the answer, and for us to get the answer, we're going to get the number whose logarithm is this. So it means for us to have by 1 point, we should have here 10 raised to the power of -1. So that on this other side now, we are going to get the antilog of 0.8604, the antilog, shift log of 0. And this will give us 7.250, which means now the final answer will be when we multiply with -1, and this will give us 0.725. So the final answer is 0.725. Thank you for following. Subscribe to this channel and share the link.